if you're trying to learn on how to make money online, or if you're trying to understand or find out the passive ways to earn income, so then this video is going to be for you, because in this video I'm going to be discussing regarding 12 interesting ways for a passive online income source for you. So without wasting our time, let's get started on this. So the number one idea which I would recommend everyone is to start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping store is very easy. All you need is a Shopify theme, and let me even show you what kind of a dropshipping store is, so you guys have an idea. So let's say if I because I worked with one of this company, so I will show you this one. Okay, although this is a clothing store, but you can start with anything you want. And the Shopify is one of the very commonly used platform to create a drop shipping store. But you can also use WooCommerce. It is a plugin on WordPress. You can also use BigCommerce.com. I mean, there are multiple and various companies around which you can use to create your own online drop shipping store. And in case you can even resell, you can even buy outsource from AliExpress.com or any Chinese company and get it resell. So even you can buy from any place, or you can have your own unit. So it's not difficult at all to start a drop shipping store, and people are earning money. It is a proven method for people. Also, it requires dedication and a huge amount of knowledge before putting your legs in it with some good money in it. So again, it's not for everyone. It's for those who have some money laying around and who are willing to invest their time in finding a good resource for online earning. So it is for those. The second idea is about creating digital products. So in case if you don't know yet, there is a platform which is widely known, and that is a ClickBank. Okay, what you can do is you can create or sell digital books over here, and people are selling over here. But digital books are one thing. You can create digital tools. You can create your own keyword research tool or any tool. So you know that Ubersuggest, in case if you don't know, Ubersuggest is a tool by Neil Patel. And the beauty of this tool is that it is a recurring it is based on a recurring model, that people have to pay a per month price. So it's not like a one time income for you. And since it's a permanent residential income formula, I mean permanent monthly recurring income formula, so it is why it is a very good tool for Neil Patel. And in case if you are looking for a recurring online passive income, then you can opt just like this model, and either create your own digital book or your own digital tool. And the tool can be of anything. Even it's I'm digital marketer, so that is why I discuss about Ubersuggest. But I mean, there are various tools, various things. You just have to think an idea, ask a programmer. You can even hire someone from Upwork or Fiverr and get it done at a very economical price. So the third idea is about creating online shirts. And like 5 years ago, I thought of creating my own shirts, and to capture and cover events, even like a FIFA or any event, or Halloween or any events. If you can create, or even some political campaign, or for some political leader, if you create your own t-shirts and get it printed, you can sell them for a very good price on Facebook. I recommend doing Facebook ads or Instagram ads for this thing, and I have seen people doing it and earning money through it. So which is why it's a good idea. As far as the shirts are concerned, you can get them designed from Teespring. This is a brand I know from years. So you can create your own shirt and stuff from over here, and it is again a very good tool for designing and getting your work done on printed. So the number fourth point, and that is regarding rental properties. In case if you have a property lying around and want to earn some good income, you can do it by renting that property online. Now the famous platform for that is Airbnb. Uh, and you can list your property over there and earn good money through it. And Airbnb is a widely renowned company, and people, you can see that people are giving their houses on rent, even portion of their houses, or even rooms, or even flats, apartment, or a portion of their apartment, depending upon the number of guests. And people are charging from anywhere from $10 to three, four, $500 per night. So it's a very good way to have some side income. My next idea is about writing an ebook, like I discussed before as well. uh, when it comes to, like, you can use ClickBank as well and get your own ebook written, but previously it was more about digital products, and now I want to focus on writing an ebook, because knowledge, it's like if you empower people, your knowledge will increase. So the charity of knowledge is to give more knowledge to the people, and you will be rewarded with even more knowledge. So unlike wealth, when you share your knowledge with her, your own knowledge also gets increased. So that is the beauty of sharing the knowledge, and writing an ebook is a very good way. And you can create your own ebook and even sell on your own blog, or you can have create a separate website for this and write it over here, and that again is a good way. And now my next point is about renting out your car. So there are many companies available depending on the country to country. For some countries it's Kareem's, for some it's Uber. When you go to Middle Eastern countries, there is a different app or service for them. When you go to Asian countries, or North America, or different countries, the app may varies. But the idea is that you can rent your car and make good income through that, even by providing taxi service, and people are doing it and can do it. And you can also do it. The next idea is to create a YouTube channel just like this. When I started, I was not earning a single buck through it. Let me be honest with you. It requires consistency, it requires patience. You cannot be an overnight millionaire. Even my channel is struggling. I'm not saying that it's not generating views or not generating subscribers. Yes, I do have no subscribers, I do get views, but it requires consistency and patience. But if you are patient, if you are consistent, YouTube channel can be a huge way to earn money. You know that I follow one of the very popular YouTuber, Ali Abdal, and he's earning around $350,000 a month just from YouTube. Imagine earning this money just from a YouTube channel. So YouTube channel can be a good source of income, and you can create it just like this. And my next is about selling graphics. And creating graphics is very easy nowadays as compared to previously. Previously you have to learn about Adobe Premiere and other softwares to create images. Now thanks to Canva, you can create images very easily. Even I design my thumbnails through Canva, and it's very easy to get it done. You can see that the latest designs of my YouTube videos are being even shown over here. So it's very easy, and you can create, depending on if you can create whiteboard, video, YouTube animate, thumbnail, Facebook infographic, photo document, or whatever. Like, they have ample of options available, videos or and other stuff available as well. You can even try something new. So yeah, Canva is a very good way, and you can earn money through it. And even you can list on freelancing websites, or even some groups, or even you can sell it to your colleagues, friends, networking. That graphics is the need of everyone, and it can generate good income. And the next is to create a blog just like aliraza.co. Let me share you my blog as well, so you guys have an idea. I am think that most of my viewers know about my blog already, but for those who don't know, let me open it. So here is my blog. You can see creating a blog, and there are, literally hundreds of ways to earn money through blogging. You can earn through Google Ads, Google AdSense on your website. You can earn through affiliate marketing. You can even sell your digital product over here. You can list your ebook over here. You can do partnerships, sponsors, collaborations. Even paid posts are being even sold on blogs. Even links are being sold on the blog. You can place a banner of a company and charge for it. So there are many ways. And I think, making sense of sense, she's a very good lady, and she's earning around $100,000-$200,000 a month through just her blog. So shoutmeloud.com is also where Harsh Agarwal is also a very famous blogger, and who is also earning thousands of dollars per month every month through their blog. So The blogging is also a very good way, but again, blogging is not for everyone. In case if you're not able to write long content, if you're not able to at good writing, although when there is a will, then there is a way. If you start doing it, you may eventually start liking it. But in case if you are seriously against writing, then blogging is not for you. So I don't recommend blogging, but go for the YouTube vlogging, which I already suggested you. But in case if you can write entertaining articles within infographics, images, a good content structure, then blog can also be a very good way to earn money. But again, it requires patience, and after many articles, people will start liking or appreciating you, and then your journey will eventually start, and you will even get visitors from search engine, different sources, social media, and eventually your blog will start going on. And now the next part is about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is again another good way to earn money, because affiliate marketing is about promoting other people products online. And again, just like I told you, like even in blogging you can do it. And like I've been promoting hosting for a very long time, and when someone buys hosting from my link, so I get paid affiliate commission from it. So even affiliate marketing can be done even on blog, YouTube channel. You can even ask your friends or anyone, so that can also be a good way. And the next part is about selling your graphics or selling your photos. But again, I do not recommend this part to everyone, because that is a very common, and the income is not really good. Although there are some sites who pay good money for your photos, but I mean, with the ample of images over there, I don't recommend it ideally. But in case if you are obsessed in capturing pictures or capturing different views, and if you like, then selling photos can also be a good strategy. So these were the few things, are like 12 passive ways to earn money online in 2023. And I just tried to be descriptive because I felt like some points require some explanation details, so which is why I started to describe and show you even with the websites as well. So how was my video? I will be looking forward for your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm looking forward for your subscription. Thank you for watching. In case if you have any comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And which part of the passive income you like the most, I like to know about it in the comments box. So I will be looking forward for your comment in the comments box. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.